My screen is visible for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we will see e-marketing planning. Okay, so what all comes under e-marketing planning? So basically, see, now we have seen micro and macro environment. Okay, so okay, I have studied my micro environment. I have studied my macro environment of that particular location where I am entering into. Right. So after this thing, even I need to make a plan, because without planning, it's impossible to succeed in any business. Okay? So planning is very important. So even this applies for online marketing as well. Okay, so you should plan before starting any business. Okay, so I would like to tell you this quote. So if I had 1 hour to chop down a tree, I would have spent the first 30 minutes to sharpening the axe. Right? Abraham Lincoln. So this is what we call as planning. Okay, so you guys, you had only 1 hour and you have to chop down a whole tree. Okay, and suppose if your axe is not sharpened, so it's impossible to chop down that particular tree, right? So this is very important. So this is what we call as planning. Okay, so when you have a nice plan or a hardcore plan, definitely you will succeed. Okay, so how we can go with it, that we will see. Okay, so what do you mean by e-marketing? So e-marketing means using digital technologies such as website, mobile device, and social networking to help reach your customers, create awareness of your brand, and sell your goods or services. Right? So here we'll be using online digital medias or platforms to promote our businesses or to sell our goods or services. The basic of marketing remains the same. Obviously, you guys have a marketing as a subject. Okay, so the basic strategy will remain the same. What difference we have is we will be promoting our goods or services by using digital technologies like website, mobile devices, and all those stuff. Right? Creating the strategy to deliver the right message to the right people. So this is what our main objective. So we have to create such a strategy that it will deliver the right message to the right people at right time. Okay, so even this is very important. Okay. So e-marketing plan. So what is e-marketing plan? The e-marketing plan is guiding dynamic documents for e-marketing strategy formulation and implementation. So here, what we'll be doing? Here we'll be planning our e-marketing strategy. Okay, the purpose is to help the firm to achieve its desired result as measured by performance metrics according to specification of e-business model and e-business strategy. So might be my objective is to sell 1,000 mobiles in Indian market within 8 weeks. So that is my objective or a goal. Okay, that too online. Okay, or using e-marketing platforms like social media, mobile apps, or a website. Okay, so you should have a goal set in your mind. Okay, so without goal, without planning, you can't do anything. Although some entrepreneurs use napkin plan to informally sketch out their ideas, a venture capital e-marketing plan will help show that e-business idea is solid and the entrepreneur has an idea of how to run it. Okay, so basically, e-marketing plan has two business models, two models actually. That is napkin plan and venture capital e-marketing. So what is napkin plan? Napkin plan, suppose I'm starting any startup. Okay, I'm starting any business or a startup idea I have. And I went to any coffee shop or anywhere, or I'm traveling. So suddenly I strike some idea, business plan, or I got any business idea in my mind. So what I will do, everyone carry a napkin or something, right? So even these entrepreneurs note down or jot down all the details on napkins. Okay, a rough idea. Even Twitter started similarly. Everyone knows Twitter, right? Jack Dorsey is a founder of Twitter. So even he got a similar idea. Okay, when he was sitting somewhere. Earlier, Twitter was a messaging platform. It was like SMS-based platform. But later, he converted into this online, what we call as Twitter. Right? So venture capital is nothing but, suppose I started my business with my small idea. Okay, now I need a funding to expand my business. So how I can get a funds? So that is what, with the help of venture capital, you can get a funds for your business. Okay, so that thing we will see. So e-marketing planning process. The e-marketing planning process entails 3 steps: marketing plan creation, plan implementation, plan evaluation, or corrective action. So first thing is we have to create a plan. Then once you plan, you have to even execute it. Without implementation, suppose you have a great plan or you have a great idea, but you fail to implement it. So your plan has zero value. Without implementation or execution, it has zero value. So if you have any idea or if you are planning to start any business or something, don't wait for it. Okay, go for it. Because then after 2 years, obviously, Baiju, you can take an example of Baiju, right? So Baiju started with a small coaching institute, but now it's a billion-dollar company. Just with a small idea and implementation. This is very important. Many people might have got same plan that I will start my e-coaching business. Okay. When Mr. Baiju was thinking of this time, many at same time, even many entrepreneurs or many trainers also got the same idea. But why Baiju succeeded? Because of this thing, he implemented the thing. Okay, he executed the plan. Okay, so this is very important. If you have a plan, anyone can plan anything. And obviously, that plan might be feasible or very great idea. But where we fail to execute or implement. So even this is very important in business point of view. Okay. Then once you implement your plan, then you have to evaluate. Or suppose you want to make any corrective measures, or you need to make any changes in your existing business or existing strategy. Okay, so you will get to know after evaluating your business model. Okay, so even this is very important. Okay. So creating an e-marketing plan. So how you will create an e-marketing plan? The e-marketing plan is a blueprint for e-marketing strategy, formulation and implementation. It serves as a roadmap to guide the direction of the firm, allocate resources, and make tough decisions and critical judgments. Okay, so suppose I am starting with the planning. Okay, so how you will start? Suppose I am running one business. Okay, or I have one manufacturing unit. Okay. So I have to manufacture mobile phones or mobile case covers. Okay. So to manufacture my mobile case covers, what resources I may need? I will I may need a raw material. Okay, I may need so many employees, say 10 people I need. Okay. So these all things you have to plan, and then you have to implement it as well. And apart from this, even you should know your marketing strategy. Okay. So how you can promote your business. So like I said, there are two methods of planning: the napkin plan and the venture capital e-marketing plan. So what do you mean by napkin plan? The idea that many dot-com entrepreneurs were known to simply jot their ideas on napkin over lunch or cocktail and then run off to find financing. This is also known as the just do it activity based or bottom up plan. Okay, so this is also called a just do it plan or activity based plan or bottom up plan. So here dot-com entrepreneurs in the sense those who are working with e-businesses, say Oyo, okay, or Ola, okay, Swiggy, Zomato, these all are dot-com entrepreneurs. Okay, Flipkart. Okay. So I will suggest, suppose if you are interested to be a business person and entrepreneur and you want to know this process exactly how it works, I will suggest you to watch one web series, or might be you might have watched as well. I don't know. TV Up the Pictures. TV Up the Pictures. Okay, is a web series. It's a very awesome web series. Okay, based on this. TV Up. Okay, the pictures. The pictures. PITCHERS. Just show you. Okay, I will just tell you. Okay, I will just check it. EVF picture. So you can just watch it. So there they have shown how one startup goes. Okay, how they generate a capital for their business and all those stuffs. Okay, three friends and all that. It's very interesting story. Okay, you just watch it. An Indian-based story. Okay, it's an Indian story, startup story. Okay. Okay, so you can just, because normally any startup which is successful has started with this thing. They might have planned on some small paper or napkin or something, right? Okay. Now I have one business plan, but how I will get a capital or how I will get a money to start my business? Because my father is not Mukesh Ambani. Okay, I have to get a capital to run my business. So even this is a part of planning. Okay. So earlier you can start. Am I audible? Right?
Now you are audible.
Yeah, the network was not there. Okay. Screen is also visible, right? My screen is visible for you?
No, sir.
No? Okay, just.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Just a second. Huh? There's some issue. Yeah, and now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So this is what napkin plan. Okay. So suppose if I have any business idea, I will just jot it down on any napkin or any small paper, right? So any big business idea starts with small. Okay. So the venture capital e-marketing plan. So what do you mean by this? The .coms can be financed privately through angel investors or families, friends, or through venture capitalists. Okay. Now suppose I started my business. So say Oyo is my business. Okay, I started with my pocket money or something. But to expand my business, I need more capital. So from where I can get this capital? So either I can get a capital from my family, friends, or any angel investor, or through venture capitals. So venture capitalists invest in good ideas with competent people running the business and generally looks for an exit plan to get their money and profit of venture within a few years. Now, who are these venture capitalists? So even these are businessmen. These are not entrepreneurs. These are businessmen. Now they will invest in some good idea or a good startup, and they will say that okay, I will be investing 10 crores in your business, but after 5 years, I want returns 5 times. Plus, I also need a share of your business, so and so. So if you give me the share of your business or your company, I will provide you so much capital. But make sure after 10 years, you will be giving me back 10 times or something, whatever may be their agreement. Okay. But these venture capitalists are investors. Okay. So they are not running any NGOs. Huh? These are not NGOs or something. No one will invest in your company or any business idea just for a sake. Okay, they want something from your business. They want return on investment. If I am investing in your business, I need something, right? I may ask you for business share, or else I may ask you for return. I'm investing so much amount of money in your business. After 3-4 years, you give me back this much amount. Because see, when suppose I have a money, okay, and I keep it in any bank. So how much bank is giving me return? Max to max 10% or 12% if I keep fixed deposit. But obviously it's a risky thing for venture capitalists, but they are into this business. Okay, they invest in good ideas and in return they will get money. Okay, so as a entrepreneur or as a startup founder for any .com company, I may go for venture capitalist as well. Like I said, Baiju. Baiju started with a small idea, but now Baiju is $1 billion company. So anyone have an idea who have invested in Baiju? Who is venture capitalist for Baiju? Any popular name? You might be reading newspapers Economic
So Mark
Times.
Zuckerberg,
Exactly.
Mark Zuckerberg,
Exactly.
Disney,
Right.
then IPL.
Mhm.
No, they are the sponsors.
They are
of IPL.
sponsors. Okay.
Sponsors. Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
Okay.
Then
So Mark Zuckerberg is right? Chan
Yes.
Zuckerberg is Institute. Okay. So they are the investors. So these are venture capitalists, Baidu, then Sukhoi. Okay. So Bond, Silver Lake, BlackRock, Sand Capital Management, Alcon Capital Management, Supina. So these all are investors. These are venture capitalists. Tencent is a big Chinese company, Tencent, right? Naspers Ventures. Okay, so these all are venture capitalists for Baidu. Okay. So obviously, when Baidu started, it was a small company. Recently, even Baidu has taken over to Akash. You might have know the news, right? Akash IIT Coaching Institute, which was very oldest institute, in India. They were providing IIT JEE training. It was one of the oldest institute in India, Akash. Okay, but Baidu purchased it recently, and Baidu is very new compared to Akash. Okay, I will just my screen is visible for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Baidu is Akash too. See, Akash Education. You might have seen this logo. $950 million.
The blue logo, no?
Exactly. Yes, exactly.
One.
Blue logo.
So, but this is an age-old company. This is not the recent company.
Yeah, it's very age-old company, Akash. That's what I'm saying. Baidu is very new company compared to Akash. Okay, but now Baidu is so big that they purchased Akash. Okay, because along with Baidu, they have venture capitalists and all those stuff, right? So 950 million leader deal. Okay.
So even upcoming is Vedantu, no?
Vedantu, yes. Even Vedantu is similar.
Taking over, yes.
Yes. Okay, so this 7-step marketing plan we'll be seeing in next class. Okay, now I want to just ask you one question. Have you heard about this term, Alexa?
Alexa.
Just a second. I will just share my screen. This thing, have you heard?
Yes, sir.
What is it, Alexa?
So it is an automated Google Voice app, like Siri and Alexa. On Google devices, like whatever question we want, we can ask.
It's Amazon's device.
Yes. Yes, obviously it works on voice command, right? But this is an Amazon product, right? Alexa. So why I'm asking you this? Because see, Alexa, like I said, is a company of Amazon. And apart from providing this device, obviously nowadays itself, people got to know about Alexa. Okay, Alexa and all those things. But Alexa is very old company. Okay, and this is a company from Amazon. Okay, and this company provides ranking for a websites all over world. Okay, this company provides ranking. So it depends on various factors like how many people are visiting on your website. Okay, how much time they are spending on your website. Okay, so accordingly they provide a ranking, and this ranking are considered all over world. Okay, like all over world or country wise as well, it provides a ranking. So according to you guys, who might be on top 3 positions? Alexa rank 1, whose website will be on top? Alexa rank 1, Alexa rank 2, Alexa rank 3. Just guess. Just guess. So like I said, how Alexa provides a ranking depends on number of visitors, how much time they are spending on your website. Okay, how many hits it get through search engine and all those stuff. So just have a guess. Who might be a top 3 website in the world? Alexa rank 1, 2, 3.
Google.
Okay.
So
Then
Facebook,
Facebook. Okay.
and YouTube.
And YouTube. Okay. Google, Facebook, YouTube. Any other guesses?
Netflix also.
Netflix. Okay.
Now during the COVID lockdown, Netflix has increased the stocks. So they
Okay.
are upcoming. So the movies and all are going into Netflix. They are not coming on the theaters because the theaters.
Yeah, obviously,
are very
OTT platforms.
costlier. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
So Siri is then from which side? Alexa and Siri are the same?
No. Siri is from Apple.
Apple.
Yeah, on Apple device it will work. Okay. Google's product is Google Assistant. Okay, Google Assistant. Okay, and Amazon product is Alexa. Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay, worldwide, you guys said Google, Facebook, YouTube might be the top 3 websites. Okay. Any other guesses? Google, Facebook, YouTube. Apart from this, any other websites to have in your mind? And someone say Netflix.
Amazon Prime.
Okay, Amazon.
Amazon.
Okay, fine. Amazon and Netflix as well. Okay.
Flipkart.
I'm talking about world, entire globe. Okay. I'm talking about entire globe. Okay. Now we'll come to India. So in India, who might be top 3 websites? Just guess. We will obviously be seeing this thing through our top 3 websites. Okay. In India, who might be on top 3 positions? Alexa 1, Alexa 2, Alexa 3. Yeah. Just guess. Just guess. Yes.
Sir, pardon.
Which one?
Sir, I did not get the question, sir.
You did not get a question. Like, see, globally as well, Alexa provides a ranking for a website. Okay. So, like just now, your friends told me that okay, top 3 maybe Google, YouTube, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, right? So similarly, even Alexa provides a ranking country-wise as well. So in India, which might be the top 3 websites? Similar to global ranking, we are now focusing on country specific in India.
So I have checked it out on Google. It's the same.
Okay. Can you just read it out? Top 3.
Top 1 ranking is Google. Top 2 ranking is YouTube. Then is Facebook, and 4th one is Instagram.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we will just check it out. Okay.
I checked it now only.
Okay,
Just now
great.
I checked.
Okay, I will just share the screen with all. Okay. We will just check it out. Yes, so these are worldwide. Okay, so worldwide, who is at top position? Google.com. So this is daily time on sites, daily page views, traffic percentage from search, total site linking. So these all are the factors. Okay, so Google is at top position. Then comes YouTube. Then comes Tmall. Then comes Baidu. Have you heard about this Baidu.com or Tmall.com before? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. So these are Chinese-based companies. Baidu is a Chinese group, because China have their own indigenous Google, Facebook, Flipkart, Amazon. They won't use this Amazon, Facebook there. Okay, so these all are, and obviously their population is huge. So that's the reason they are coming at top 10 positions. So Baidu, QQ, even this is Chinese, so we Chinese. Then Facebook comes at 7, Taobao is Chinese, even this is Chinese, JD.com is Chinese. Okay. So in top,
This is worldwide, right?
this is
So you said
worldwide.
about India. So you asked about India.
Yeah, but before that, I asked about worldwide, right? So this is worldwide. I just wanted to show you. Okay. Now we will check country-wise. India we will check. So why I am telling you this thing? This is just for your general knowledge. Okay. So this ranking matters, and everyone consider these rankings. Okay. Now in India as well, Google rank first, then YouTube, then Amazon.in, Facebook, even Google.co.in is an extension for India, Google's extension. Flipkart is at 6th, Wikipedia, Yahoo Hotstar. Yes,
Sir, on the basis of what they give the rating?
this thing, these are the factors. Okay, daily time on site, how much time people are spending on that particular website, daily visitors, how much visitors they are getting. Okay, so these are the different factors. Okay, on these factors they provide a ranking. Now you can just see Hotstar 2 months back it was at 16th position. Now it has come on 9th position. Why so? Because of IPL.
IPL, sir.
Okay, that's why it has come to 9th position. Okay, so hopefully it may go to 8th position as well soon. Okay, now Zoom, earlier it was at 9th position, but recently now Hotstar has come at 9th position. Okay, so this is what Alexa ranking. This is just for your general knowledge purpose. Okay, even this thing you should know. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So stop sharing. Let me take this. Don't believe anyone. I'm taking the screenshot for attendance. Fine then. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Okay, so next class we will have tomorrow then. Okay. See you guys.
So,
Yeah,
can
yeah.
I ask you one thing?
Yeah.
So which book will be referring to Thakur book?
Books.
Yes,
Book
sir.
you're asking.
As per
It's
the syllabus.
yeah. It's a Judy Strauss. Do you got a syllabus of this thing? Syllabus you guys got?
Yes, sir. We have a syllabus.
Yeah, on syllabus copy itself, you have a reference book. So in library, we have only one book available. I will just show you this one. Okay, e-market. This one.
So,
In our
but
library.
from today onwards, everything is closed, sir.
Yes, no, I will be sharing you. I will be sharing you this PPT. Not to worry. I will be sharing you this.
We can refer to Thakur books. Thakur.
Yeah, you can just. I have to check.